interesting. As a graduate, I think they're not so much using LinkedIn to headhunt people. That tends to come further on in people's careers. So they're kind of using LinkedIn as a way of affirming an employment decision. So you've gone through a process, they might have interviewed you, they might have seen your resume, and they might go and look at LinkedIn and other social profiles that you have to see whether you are professional, whether you're a fit, whether you have a network. If they are looking at your LinkedIn profile as their primary hiring tool, which some people are starting to do, they say, you know, connect up with your LinkedIn profile to apply for the job. They're looking for the same sorts of things that they might look for in your CV. So they're looking to see what you've presented to them in your resume or your online application or your interview is some consistency. So they might go and have a look at you online to see whether you're a good fit, a good cultural fit for the organisation, or that you are who you say you are.